Guys like us who like to travel a lot, especially on their bikes, they often find a situation where it is very tricky to manage all the stuffs they have with them, especially the camera, action cam, papers, etc. So it's very important to manage them in an order so that it comes to you whenever it is needed. It is handy. So for that, I have bought a new item from Rynox. It's called Rynox Monopod 28 liters tank bag. So most of you might have also used it already. This is the first time for me, and let's see how the material is, what all features it has, and how it proves to be one of the best in the market. So without further ado, let's start with the review, and let me know in the comment below how you like it. Do you want to go with this item, or you have some other product in the market in mind? Welcome to my channel, Turn Right. So hi friends, this is the new tank bag that I have ordered from Amazon, and I have recently received it like within 3 days. So this is a universal bag which comes with both the options, like magnet and also the belts to fix it with your bike. So as you can see, the package is quite good. Like I'm quite impressed by the packaging done by Amazon. And the price in which I got it is 3575 rupees, and the reviews were actually very great, like all the positive reviews I have got. Now the only question is, I don't know the actual size of it. Like in videos it was one thing, but when it comes to the actual real life, let's see. Like my bike, it is like Yamaha FZ as of now I have. So I am little bit skeptical about I mean how much it will fit, whether the the handles and all, it will get stuck on the edges. So okay, let's open this up and give you a good review. Okay, let's see what is inside it. So guys, here we are. So there were actually 2-3 layers of protection from Amazon, which is very good. And oh my god, so this is the plastic in which the product comes, and this actually tells by only touching the product I can say, okay, this is like quite hardy, quite rugged, and it's quite heavy as well. Not that heavy that it will affect your riding, but the quality, like when I touch the fabric here, the quality is good. So this is the top view. Okay, what we get here is some stickers from Rynox, and this is the place where you generally put in the mobile and to navigate, to see the navigation. So the sensor here, it is getting some kind of issue. I think this material, it has some issue in opening, but yeah, I tried with my fingerprint and it opened. So you can see, right, I can access very easily. Okay, it's very easy to access all those. So if I am trying to open some app, so here it goes, the YouTube. So it is quite good. and just under that there is another small pocket for papers or something that you need handy, any papers and all. So overall, this bag is quite big. As I can see, this is a 28 liters, and Rynox product come with three different type of tank bags. One with 18 liters, this is 28 liters, and this is expandable as well. And there is another one which is the biggest of all, and that is around like 32 liters or something like that. But you can check it, like I'll give the link below. You can go to their official website and you can check it. Okay, so out of the box what we can see is, as I told, there is a mobile holder inside it, and there is a small notch to put in the charger and all. And then after that there is a chain beneath it. Then there are two side pockets. I personally think, see, they have inseamed it along with the body. So if you put something big into it, something like a bottle or something inside it, your inside cabin, that space will be get occupied. So it would have been better if they have just put a panel outside and made a pocket out of it, but that's fine. This actually helps in trimming the body to a size that it does not affect my handling of the bike. And okay, let's open up the main thing. Voila. So what we can see here is like there is a pocket to save your papers or some currency, some pen holders. I don't know what riders will do with pen, but it's okay. Some velcro and some sticker, then it comes with these belts. So as I was telling you, these belts are for the non-metallic tanks. So this is like quite handy. People with different kind of bikes, they can use it without thinking about how it will fix or not. Okay, now going inside, first there were belts, then there is a rain cover. The material is okay. I won't say it is the best in the class, but it is quite decent in this price range. So it again, the brand it shows here, Rynox. So I'll keep this aside. If you see inside, it is quite spacious. Like I am planning to carry my DSLR and some of the lenses that I use generally, along with my GoPro. So sorry, it's not GoPro, it is Osmo, the action cam. So inside it, the boot space is quite good. I'm impressed, and the color is also very good. Like I like red and black combination personally. So this one turns out to be very handy. So there is also a belt inside that you can keep it, like if you are carrying your laptop and all. Okay, laptop, it won't fit more than 13 inches or 14 inches laptop. It's not that big of a cabin inside here, but it's a decent place. So this belt will help you to keep things into place when you are riding. Okay, now moving on to the next part. Okay, coming out. So this is a grip which will help you to carrying it around. And okay, what is in the back side? So these are kind of bungee cords. I am not sure how this space will be utilized. Some people might say they will keep bottles over here, but really I don't know, like it might slip out. But okay, still these are like elastic bungee cords. Side view, as I already told you, this is kind of a rubber leatherette finish design, giving the brand name Rynox again here. So not that much of a fancy thing, and here this is a reflector kind of thing. coming to the back side, you can see here is a reflective strip. So this bag, not only you can use it as a tank bag, you can use it as a tail bag as well. So you just flip it around, put this straps and tie it to your pillion seat. So talking about flipping this, let's see what is underneath. Okay, so this is a rubber finish fabric. This is rubber, this is soft. So the thing is, it won't it won't scratch your tank as such when you put it on. And what I can see is there are four things. I guess these are the places where you will put in the straps and you will tie it. So 4 of them given, one is around the neck and 2 of them under the tank. So as I told, this is also a magnetic tank. So these are the magnets. So if you can see, these are the magnets, and this is also a magnet. So total 5 of them, 1 2 3 4 5. So tomorrow if you are planning to buy Royal Enfield or any of the Hondas, high-end bikes or the bikes with a metallic tank, so it won't be a problem. You can always just lose the straps and you can go with the magnets. And you see, magnets are quite strong magnets. And these are also rubber, so none of the surface that will be touching your tank will scratch it. So that is one good point. Also, this bag come with a with 2 of these strips or handles, which if you tie it around, you can just carry it as your backpack. Here you go. And the another one goes here. So you can carry this as your backpack. So being a 28 liters bag, so for one day trip or a short trip, only this bag will be enough to carry your essentials like a water bottle or cameras, gears and all. So yeah, I'm quite impressed. And the things this little bag pack carries along with it is quite a good proposal to buy this. So okay, I was talking about its expandability. So this is a 28 liter bag, and I think another 2 to 3 liters we can expand it. So here is a chain underneath. So if you just open this chain, it goes all the way around. Oops, my fish is going to be angry today. So anyway, so you see, this has increased. So minimum 2 to 3 liters of the cabin space has been increased here. I can tell you, I can bet. Okay, so I was planning to do is let's see if my Vega helmet, basically it's a medium size helmet, so let's see if that fits into it. Okay, so this is the helmet. I will try to put it inside and see if it goes inside it, if it fits or not. Yes, it does. See, it carries a full face helmet inside it. So this is quite impressive. Wow. So another thing I will try is like if my laptop, so I have a 14 inches Lenovo laptop, I'll try to put this inside and see whether this cabin space is good enough to carry this laptop with me inside this bag. So this is the 14 inches laptop. Yes, it goes inside it nice and good. It is quite settled. But mind it, if you don't expand this, I don't think this laptop will go inside, because these walls, till here, these walls it won't allow, because this space is narrow, right? So once I expand it, this laptop goes inside. Otherwise, you cannot put either the helmet or the laptop. But the good thing is, this can be expandable and we can take our laptops and other gears along with us. So that's actually very good. Okay, so I think this gives you a high level detail about this product. I am very happy buying this.